Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 incredible ways to generate passive income on Amazon, okay? Okay, so the first way that you can generate passive income on Amazon is to use the Amazon Associates program. In other words, the Amazon affiliate marketing program. So I've talked about affiliate marketing here a lot in the past, and I'm sure you guys are familiar with the strategy. So you promote a product, the company pays you a commission. It's that simple, okay? So it can be as easy as just recommending something that you already use to a friend, a family member, your followers on social media. Now, in order to be successful with Amazon affiliate marketing, of course, it's actually a good idea to have your own platform where you're building your own traffic, you're getting followers, you have data coming to your website, because that's the only way you're going to be able to generate a good amount of passive income with this strategy. It is a volume-based business, and marketing is all about data. It's all about the number of people you can get to your orders. It's about the number of people you can get to your link, your website, your offers, and things of that nature. It's not just a matter of getting the link and sending it to your family members and friends or spamming people to buy products they're not even interested in. There's amazing ways you can promote your affiliate marketing business without spamming people, okay? And also putting yourself out there in front of the people that actually need the product the most, okay? And this is why it's very important to get access to help, support, training, mentorship. If you're just getting started with affiliate marketing and you have no knowledge how to sell, because knowing how to sell is really going to help you to generate a good amount of income with the Amazon Associates program, okay? Another way you can make money on Amazon, which I mentioned in a few of my videos already, one of my best strategies is to use the Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing method. So this is basically where you're able to self-publish your own books on Amazon. So gone are the days where you needed to find a publishing company and then, get your transcript approved and then just go through the lengthy process of actually writing a book, getting a bunch of boxes with your paperback copies and fulfilling orders and things of that nature. With the Amazon Kindle program, what you can do is you can actually publish very short, educational, informational books that go straight to the point. Let's really think about it. People buy books all the time, and I'm sure we've all done it. And in most cases, they don't read all the way to the end of the book. Like, I'm guilty of this. I write books, but I'm guilty of buying books and not reading it to the end, because the attention span of the human being is just becoming smaller and smaller, lower and lower. And people just want things that will take them straight to the point, give them the information that they need, and get them the results and transformation that they need. People don't want the overwhelm anymore. And this is why Kindle publishing is so profitable, because you can literally publish short form books on Amazon Kindle and, put it out there and start generating some passive income. The overhead costs are low and the profit margins can be very, very high because you're not printing and shipping out books to anyone. It's a digital file that can be sold over and over and over again. And all you have to do is create the book one time. Or if you don't even know how to write a book or you don't have an idea where to start, you can outsource the service, guys. There's ghostwriters on Fiverr. You can do read to write ebooks. Go to funnelpire.com. I previously did a video on how you can write books without writing. I'll link it somewhere here if you haven't watched it. And that actually shows you how to go out there and find books that have already been written by other people that you're legally allowed to resell as your own, okay? So this is another great way to generate passive income on Amazon. Once you put that book out there on Amazon and people start buying that book, it becomes passive income from there, okay? Another passive income stream you can tap into, now this one does require some upfront investment, is the Amazon FBA program. So we all love Amazon Prime, right? And believe it or not, Amazon do not actually, majority of the products being sold on Amazon are not owned by Amazon. They're literally just the middleman, okay? Sellers go on Amazon and they sell products and buyers go on Amazon and buy a product. Amazon basically connects sellers to buyers, okay? So the Amazon FBA program is one of the largest programs on Amazon right now, because this is essentially how a lot of the products being sold on Amazon are sourced in the first place. So what normally happens is you as a seller, right, you find a vendor. I'm going to do another in-depth video on Amazon FBA, how to get started with the process. So if you're someone out there who wants to sell physical products, then essentially what you would do is you will find a supplier who sells the product in bulk. So when you find a supplier you want to work with, you then get the supplier to ship your wholesale inventory in bulk to an Amazon warehouse or fulfillment center in your country. So if you are in the United States, then it's going to be a fulfillment center near you. Or if you are in the UK, you can do it to a fulfillment center in the United Kingdom kingdom. And here's the beauty about it, guys. If you wanted to sell to different parts of the world, you can get your vendor to ship these products out to different countries, okay? Because all you're literally doing is giving them access to the address, okay? Because Amazon, they have different warehouses. When you register on Amazon as a seller, they will give you more information on how to go out there and, you know, get those products to be shipped out to an Amazon warehouse. So when supplier sends those products to an Amazon warehouse, all you're literally doing moving forward is just listing the products on your Amazon seller dashboard. And every time somebody buys the product, Amazon deals with the shipping, right? This is how they're able to offer things like Prime, next day delivery, same day delivery, and things of that nature. So you could literally have your products being sold on Amazon right now and being fulfilled by Amazon without ever having to touch any inventory yourself, okay? It's just a matter of getting the suppliers to send the products to an Amazon warehouse, and then, you know, you sit back and earn your profit. Amazon are obviously going to take out their own fees and cuts for, you know, handling the fulfillment for you, which means it can also reduce your profit margins, but, you know, it's just a great passive income stream, to be honest. You're not having to deal with anything yourself. And even if you were to go out there and handle the shipping yourself, it's still going to cost you money trying to ship these products out to your customer. And by selling on Amazon, you are literally tapping into a platform that is already worldwide known, is already trusted. So there's a higher chance of your product selling even faster, okay? Another way you can create passive income on Amazon is to look into the Amazon Merch on Demand. You can use the Amazon Merch on Demand program to create things like custom apparel, like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, hats. And when customers go on Amazon and buy your designs, then Amazon is going to ship them out to your customers. They handle the shipment, they handle the fulfillment of your orders directly to your customers. So if you're into the apparel niche, or that sounds like something that you would love to do, then this is a great way to get started. As you can see, you can have your own unique designs on things like hoodies, sweatshirts, you know, hats, mugs, beanies, and things of that nature. And then once you have your product listed on Amazon, they handle all the fulfillment for you, okay? And then when the product is sold, as you can see right here, you upload your artwork, you list the price, your sale price. When customer buys on Amazon, Amazon deal with the printing of the products onto the t-shirts, the sweatshirts, the hoodies, and things of that nature. So all you're literally doing is you're coming up with some good graphics and things of that nature. And if you're looking for an even easier way to come up with graphics, if you're not a graphic designer, I'm going to link somewhere below this video a platform that you can use to create graphics without ever creating them yourself from scratch, okay? And you can literally come on Amazon, list those graphics there, guys, you know, on things like t-shirts. They already have the blank Canva templates that you can use to list your products. If you wanted to do it on a tracksuit, you can do it on a tracksuit. If you wanted to do it on a hoodie, you can have the exact same design on a hoodie, a t-shirt. And then when a customer comes to Amazon and buys that product, they deal with the shipping, and they can ship with the Prime option as well. So your customers are actually going to be excited to buy your products because they're getting it next day, right? And this is how you're leveraging this Amazon platform and tapping into this billion-dollar pie. And then, of course, you earn your profit every time somebody goes on to buy one of your designs on Amazon, okay? And then last but not least, another great platform that you can use to create passive income on Amazon is the Amazon audiobooks or Audible program. So if you already have an ebook, right, what you can literally do is you can convert those books into audio format, okay? And when you convert them into audio format, you can publish them on Amazon and earn royalties for every sale. So if you go on Amazon right now, there's a lot of books that are being sold on, you know, paperback copy, Kindle copy, and there's also an audiobook version as well. So that's another extra way to generate passive income from your books. You can even come on here and get people here on Amazon to do it for you, to do the recording for you. And then you only pay them after those audiobooks have been sold, which is just amazing. So every time an audiobook is sold, they get their commission, you get your commission. It's simple. It's a win-win, okay? And again, this only has to be created one time, guys. And because people now prefer to listen, okay, people want to listen to things like audios versus reading a book because, you know, attention span and things of that nature. And sometimes when I'm cooking personally, I like to listen to like motivational things and things of that nature that I otherwise would not read in a book. So it just helps to attract a wider audience of different types of people. So you will have people that still love reading, for example, they have the book version. So now you're appealing to different audiences by providing different formats of your ebook. And that's the beauty about ebooks. Again, guys, you can turn this thing into an audiobook and make even more money, okay? So if you enjoyed this video and you're looking for an even easier way to build your passive income business in 90 days or less, then I would like to invite you guys to check out the Passive Wealth Accelerator program, where my team and I can actually help you, hold you by the hand, and help build your passive income streams for you in 90 days or less, okay? So if that sounds great to you, then be sure to check out the website at www.funnelpire.com/wealth. And I look forward to catching up with you guys in my next video.